Hello everyone! Let's find out what's the difference between these two puff flowers. As usual, crochet puff flowers start with 12 single crochet in the magic circle. Please choose the color you like best for the center of our flower. This is where magic begins. I took the pink loop and attached the next color, white, for our petals. Start crochet the petal. You can view the whole process with explanation in another video. I leave the link in the description. The petal is done, and this is what happened. That pink stitch above our petal. That is why I dissolve all the crochet to the pink color or to the our magic green. And now, instead of making this loop with the pink yarn, I join the white yarn earlier by simply removing one pink loop and insert hook into two left loops and join white yarn at this point. The pattern remains the same. We still need to connect this loop with the first single crochet loop from our first row and then continue to make a petal. Enjoy the process if you like, or just skip it. And here we receive no loops above our petal. And now let's look again what's the difference between two of these flowers. So you see, everywhere we have white, 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 and white stitches between the petals, so it's what we want. And in the pink, oh, it's dropped, sorry. In the pink, we have these white stitches above petal, and then everywhere else it will pink, but still in one petal above it it will be white stitch. Still, there are not a big difference between both of these flowers. They both cute, they look nice. So, and if you don't know what you're looking for, you probably haven't even noticed this difference, but now you know. And sorry about this. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please check the links I left in the description, and probably that's all. Have a really nice day.